Hi guys, hope I find you really well. So this is just a quick video because I have to run and pick up the kids from school, but I just wanted to show you guys what I bought today. So today is Black Friday, guys. I went to the shop with a thought of just going to get like some Christmas ornaments and stuff like that, nothing major, but then I ended up spending I wanna cry. You know, like when you get to the till and you realize how much you spent, you're like, what? But then when you're picking out the things, you'll be thinking, oh, it's only £2, it's only £3, it's only £5. But then when you get to the till, you're like, damn, no. But then it's too late for you to be taking the things out. Be like, no, because it looks weird, it looks embarrassing. But then it's the things that I actually needed anyways. But then I didn't need that much, if that makes sense. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna show you the things that I got from Poundland. So initially when I was going to Poundland, I just wanted to get like some Christmas ornaments and basically just Christmas decorations. But then I ended up seeing things like winter clothes, pajamas, especially for the kids, because I feel like they grow up too quick and then within a month their pajamas don't fit anymore. So I got some things from Poundland. Like, I didn't know Poundland does like clothing like that. I was shocked. I was literally shocked. I was like, oh my god, Poundland is not so bad. Not so bad at all. Let me show you what I got for myself. First, so I have I've got this bag from Poundland and another one from here, but I went to Next as well, so I'll show you what I got from Next, and then I put some of the things from Poundland from this bag here. So this is what I got for myself. You know, winter, it's like a dress, you know, nice winter dress, and this was £12. So it's not really Poundland, it's not really pound, but yeah, it was £12. And then I got myself pajamas as well. How much were these? I think she took off some of the price tag. I don't remember how much were these. No, it was £10. It was £10 because I also got these ones as well, and these were £10. So already £10, £10, £12. That's like 10, 20, £32 for 3 things. What? So Poundland is a scam. Poundland is a scam. I expect to be spending like £1, £2, £3. Why is it called Poundland if I have to spend £32 on 3 things? Oh my god. But yeah, that's all that I got for myself in Poundland, and I'll show you the kids that I got. So I got them onesies. You know, now whenever they're coming from school, they just straight into their pajamas. So that's why I was buying a lot of pajamas more than like clothing, because after school they just put on their pajamas. And yeah, so I got this is for Othniel, a onesie. And then I got Onan, a onesie. This was £9, and Othniel's one was £10. Poundland. Oh my god. And this one is for Ophia. So this was £9. And then I got this Christmas skirt to put underneath the Christmas tree. I think this was £3, I believe. When I seen it, it was £3. But I already have another one that is red. I don't even know why I got this one. I don't know why. I don't even know. But yeah, I got this one as well. So more pajamas for Fia. No, these are just normal leggings and the top. So these leggings, £3. And this nice t-shirt. This is cute. I actually like it. I got this t-shirt as well, £2. Oh, and I got myself some thermal gloves because my gloves are just literally really cold. My gloves are cold. So these are thermal ones, and they were £2.50. So they're nice and cozy. Ooh. And I got Onan. This is so cute. Like, I can't believe this is Poundland. You can't say this is Poundland. Like, this is for Onan. I got it for £8. Like, to be fair, in Next they also have these for £8 because I got another t-shirt in Next. I'll show you for Onan for church, which was £7 or £8. So Poundland as well, £8. You might as well just go to your usual shop, Next or H&M, the shops that I normally shop at, because that's how much I spend anyway. So what's the difference with Poundland? Like, it's supposed to be cheaper, but it's the same as my usual shops. So yeah, lesson learned. And I got this jumper for Othniel. This was £4. Othniel hardly wears any jumpers because he's always hot. So I hardly buy him any. If I buy one, I'll buy one or two, and that's it. So now he doesn't have any because they are small. So I got him that, and this is for school for PE. They wear black on Mondays, and this was £6. You know what? Poundland is similar to Primark. To be fair, it's similar to Primark to H&M. Like, I think I won't be spending anything in Poundland. Trust me. So that's for Othniel as well, and another jumper as well for Othniel because he doesn't have a lot of jumpers. And this one was £5, but these are cute. They are really cute, to be fair. And it's also my mother-in-law's birthday coming soon, so I just got her some candles, like, because I'm planning to decorate the house and then buy a cake and then got some candles. And I got toothpaste from Poundland. More pajamas. Who is these ones for? I think this is for Othniel. So it's these pajamas here. These are really cute. How much was this? £8. Oh my god, this is similar prices. More pajamas. These are all pajamas for Ophia. So to be fair, Ophia didn't need all of these pajamas, but it's because they were like £4, £3, and wherever I buy Ophia's pajamas, like in H&M and Primark, they're normally like £10 one pair. So when I saw these ones, I was like, let me just pick loads of them. So these pajamas here, look how cute that is. That's so cute. Come with the trousers. It's £4. And you've got these ones as well. I couldn't resist the colors. It's just me. I couldn't resist the colors. So these ones were £5. And I got these ones as well. These were £8. To be fair, where I buy them as well in Primark or H&M, they're £8, just one pair. So I don't even know why I spent this much, because I've seen these nicer ones in Primark, not like this. But when I saw it, I just picked it. Story of my life. More pajamas. So this is for Fia. And it comes with these trousers as well. And this was £6. So it's called Pepco, the clothing line of Poundland, Pepco. And we got one more pajamas for Othniel, because Othniel doesn't have, his pajamas don't fit anymore. So every time they look really tight on him. So I got him 9 to 10, even though he's only 8 years old. So this is the t-shirt and the trousers. And this was £5. So it's not too bad, because in H&M, Othniel's clothes, they are like, pajamas especially, they're like £12 or £13, the ones that I've seen. So that's what I got in Poundland. And then after Poundland, I went to Next. So initially when I was going to Next, I wanted to get myself a blazer and a jacket for church, like, you know, like, or a jacket to wear when I'm going out. But I got it. It was £60. I picked it. I was going to pay at the till and everything, but then I noticed Onan's jacket instead which was 30 something pound. I picked that one and I left mine. You know, being a mom, it's like you prioritize your kids more than yourself. I only got myself those, and then I left everything. So I'll show you what I got in next. So this is the jacket that I got for Onan. How cute is that? So Onan's jacket for church is really small now, same as Othniel, but I couldn't find a size for Othniel, only Onan. Even this one is big. It's 7 years and Onan is 6 years old. So he's gonna grow up in this, and this was 34 pounds because I got myself a black one like this, which was 60 pounds, and it was really long. It was nice, but then when I saw this, I just swapped. I got Onan's because he needed more than I do. He doesn't have one. At least I've got some. I've got another one like this, actually, this color, but I just wanted a black one. And Onan doesn't have none, so yeah, I swapped. This is what I got for Onan. And I got Othniel some jeans because his jeans are now small. He doesn't have any jeans at all. So Onan has taken Othniel's jeans. And then I got Othniel these ones. These were 14 pounds and they're 10 years. Because the ones that he's got now are 8 to 9 and they're already small. I don't understand. I really don't understand. So yeah, I got him these regular jeans. These are cute. These were 14 pounds. And then I got Onan this t-shirt for church, to wear in church. And this was 8 pounds. So this is what I'm talking about. Like something like this next is 8 pounds. And then something like this in Poundland is 8 pounds. So you wouldn't say this is Poundland either. But you wouldn't say this is next either, because I don't know, doesn't look that nice at all. But yeah. It's the fact that it's warm. So yeah, I got him that. That's 8 pounds. And then I got Othniel these trainers from Next. So Othniel is now a size 4 because the shoes that he's got now are a size 3 and he says they're a bit tight. So when I saw these, I just picked them and they were the only size left. How much was this? So these shoes were blue jeans trainers, 31 pounds. These were 31 pounds. And guess for all these 4 things, just for these 4 things, how much I spent? 87 pounds. And for all these things in Poundland, I spent 150 pounds. Let's not talk about it. I got some batteries as well. These I got them from Poundland for Christmas lights, you know. So yeah. And then after that, I went to JD because I wanted to grab some trainers for Ophia. Let me show you. I grabbed some trainers for Ophia because, to be fair, these are from my mom. My mom, it was Ophia's birthday like 2 weeks ago, and she put 30 pounds as a birthday present. So I thought I'll buy her something. So I owe Ophia that 30 pounds. So these are the shoes that I got for her, and these were 30 pounds actually, exactly 30 pounds. They were on sale. Normally they would have been 45 pounds, but then they went down to 30 pounds. And Ophia doesn't have any trainers, so yeah, I got her these. And then I saw something for myself. I got myself some Nike shoes. The low dunk Nike shoes. So initially I've got the high tops, right? And then they're really hard to put on the high tops. So I've always wanted the low dunk one, these ones. And they're always like 70 pounds or 100 pounds. And I did not want to spend that much. I couldn't be bothered. So today, because it's a Black Friday, they were 50 pounds. So I got them. I got myself the low dunk shoes. So in JD, I spent another 80 pounds. So 50 plus 30, 80 pounds. Then after that, I went to Home Bargain. I wanted to get some toys initially, the kids' Christmas presents. I was hoping there will be a sale and then I'll get their Christmas presents. but then I didn't get anything. There was literally nothing. So I think it's best if we go to Toys R Us. Hopefully over the, like maybe on Monday or Tuesday when they're not at home, I'm just gonna go to Toys R Us because there's a lot of options there. So in Home Bargain, I bought these ornaments. So I got these ornaments. So my theme is actually the Grinch Christmas. We are having the Grinch Christmas. So everything is green, red, is it green, red, silver, white colors of my Christmas tree or my Christmas decoration. That's what I'm going for this year. The kids said they want the Grinch. They love the Grinch, the movie, so they wanted the decorations to be like that. At first, I don't even know, like, how am I going to decorate the Grinch Christmas? But then I was like, you know what, let's just give it a try because I've never done it before. Let's just give it a try. I was not happy about it at first, but then I was like, let me just do it because Christmas is all about kids. So I'll just do whatever they want. So yeah, I got this. So all my Christmas decorations are coming. I bought all of them on Shein. And they're coming. They're not here yet, and we've been waiting for 2 weeks now. The kids are getting anxious. Like, I should have put my Christmas tree by now, but I still haven't. All I did was put up the lights outside and put the lights here inside here. I haven't put anything. I haven't put up our Christmas tree. So I got these, and I got this present for Ophia. It's a mirror with lip glosses and stuff like that. She likes to put lip gloss on herself. So this comes with a mirror and it lights up. So she'll be happy about that. She'll be able to look herself in the mirror and apply lip gloss. So yeah, I got her this. And I also got her this cup with, it's got pencil and a pen and some bits inside. I don't know what it is, but initially I was just interested in the cup because she's always stealing my cups, you know, and she likes to drink everything with a straw. So I got her this. And I also got her these balls because today actually she was asking if I can put her a ball when she was going to school, but I didn't have any. So when I saw this, I just picked them up. And I suffer from dry eyes. I think I spoke about this ages ago, and I got myself like intensive eye drops and also like lens cleaning wipes for my glasses. So how much did I spend in beer in Home Bargain? Let's have a look. £28. So we have £28 in Home Bargain. In JD was £80. In Poundland, I think it was 150 something. And then in Next, I think it was £87. So for all this small stuff, doesn't seem like a Black Friday to me. Black Friday is a scam. Initially, I do not buy things on Black Friday because it doesn't seem like there's a sale at all. And in Next, these were not on sale. Literally in Next, there was no sale at all. I feel like the sale will be in town more than where I went, the Next that I went to, because the one in town, there's normally sales and everything. So yeah, they were not in sale. And then in Home Bargain, they were not in sale. And then in Poundland, doesn't seem like they were in sale at all. That's not Black Friday to me, because I'm spending £10, £12 on one outfit or one t-shirt that is similar to what I would spend in Next or H&M. So no, the only thing I would say was in JD, where I got the Black Friday deal for the trainers for myself and Ophia. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I have to go pick up the kids, but I'll see you guys the next time. Maybe the next time you see us, we'll be putting up our Christmas tree. Guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We really appreciate it. Just hit the subscribe button below. It just says subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.